How to track steps on iPhone without Apple Watch. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the Pin section at the top and tap on Steps. You can view your step count over here. Step count is the number of steps you take throughout the day. Pedometers and digital activity trackers can help you determine your step count. Go to the Day section at the top to view your step count for the day. Then, go to the Week section to view your step count for the week. You can repeat the same to view your step count for the months, 6 months, and so on. You can also scroll down to view other details related to your step count such as the average steps and more. Following these steps, you can easily track steps on iPhone without Apple Watch. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.